खुशवंत सर बहुत ही काम टीचर है, बहुत ही पेशेंट टीचर है। वो आप कितनी भी बार उनसे क्वेरीज पूछ लो, डाउट्स पूछ लो, वो हमेशा रेडी रहते हैं आपकी क्वेरीज क्लियर करने के लिए।
And what I liked about Sir's classes was that he takes a concept-based approach to things instead of like teaching us only questions. He makes sure that we understand the concept first before moving on to the questions and examples, and he gives us lots of sums to practice with, and so I like that very much.
खुशवंत सर की टीचिंग की सबसे स्पेशल बात यह है कि वो डाउट्स को और कंसेप्ट्स को बहुत क्लियर कर देते हैं।
खुशवंत सर के पढ़ाने में सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट से डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन भी बहुत इजीली हमें एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं।
मैं क्लास 7 का स्टूडेंट हूँ। मैं अपनी फिजिक्स की ट्यूशंस खुशवंत सर से लेता हूँ। वो एक एक कॉन्सेप्ट फार्मूला सबके डीप में जाके उसको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं।
और एक चीज़ तो आपको गारंटीड मिलेगी कि आपको कभी स्ट्रेस होगा ही नहीं। खुशवंत सर हमें डेली मोटिवेट करते हैं
और उन्होंने हमारे लिए फिजिक्स को प्रेशर से पैशन में चेंज कर दिया है।
मे भी हमसे कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा है या हम बहुत ज़्यादा कि हमसे नहीं होगा, बाकी हम फिजिक्स नहीं कर सकते, सर वॉज देयर कि नहीं तुम कर सकते हो। सर ने हमें कॉन्फिडेंस दिया, दैट इज वाई हम लोग आज इतना अच्छा कर रहे हैं।
And yes, I would definitely recommend Sir's classes to anyone who's interested in learning physics at the JEE level.
तो मैं अपने फेलो स्टूडेंट्स को ज़रूर रेकमेंड करूँगी कि वो खुशवंत सर की क्लासेस लें और फिजिक्स में एक्सपर्टीज हासिल करें।
So I will definitely recommend to each and every science student, to each and every 11th, 12th, medical, engineering, all students कि आप definitely खुशवंत सर से पढ़िए because he is the one who will tell you how to study, what to study.
मैं हर जेई और नीट एस्पिरेंट को ये रिकमेंड करूँगा कि खुशवंत सर इज द बेस्ट फिजिक्स टीचर।
और मैं सबको रेकमेंड करूँगी कि वो खुशवंत सर से फिजिक्स की क्लासेस लें।
Hi, I'm Khushwant Fatnani. I'm a physics faculty. I've always loved teaching, and currently I coach students for JEE and NEET examinations. My education is from VIT University Vellore and IIT Gandhinagar. I've also had a brief stint of education and projects from NTU Singapore and HPCL Bangalore. And all this while, it has been a very adventurous journey, after which I got to work with Akash Coaching Institute Mumbai as a physics lecturer. Recently, I've shifted back to my city Raipur and I'm connected with an Institute of Medical and Engineering. I take classes here for 11th and 12th standard students, and again I'm helping them prepare for JEE and NEET examinations. Recently, some students have contacted me and asked me if I can take a class with them. These are the ones who are going to take NEET and JEE examinations next year, that is in 2021. So, on their request, I'm launching a new course which will be starting on 9th of November, that is this year, 2020, and will be continuing until March 2021. So, this video is to make an announcement for the same. In case you're interested to join the course, and before that you would like to know about my teaching style, how do I teach, etc., you can feel free to just log on to my YouTube channel, Physics with Fatnani, and have an insight into my classes there. Of course, this course will give you a platform where you will be able to connect with your class 11th and 12th syllabus both. We'll be starting with kinematics and going until SHM and waves, and then we'll be starting with electrostatics and going until the chapters like photoelectric effect, atoms and nuclei, semiconductors, and this way we'll be finishing our syllabus. This course will help you get an insight into important formulas, concepts, good questions, past year questions, and every week we'll be holding a test. This test will give you an opportunity to assess yourself. It will have a syllabus of everything that we have covered until that week. So this is what the course is about. I am very excited about the course and I hope the same at your end. In case you would like to know more about it, feel free to contact me on my number 99431 30691. Further details about the course are coming on the screen. So, most welcome, join this course and enjoy. Thank you very much.